Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful and effective testimonials in WordPress. Testimonials are a powerful way to build trust and credibility for your website and showcase feedback from your clients or customers. We'll go step by step, from choosing the right tools to customizing your testimonials to fit your brand. If you're ready to take your website to the next level, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard plugin section and click Add New Plugin. Now go to the search option and search Spider Elements. In this section, we'll be using the Spider Elements plugin. To get started, you'll need to install and activate it. For the sake of time, I've already installed and activated the plugin on my site. Once you're on the new page, you'll be greeted with this interface. Now, simply click on Edit with Elementor to begin customizing your page. Once you're in the Elementor editor, scroll down slightly and navigate to the Elementor panel. In the search bar, type Testimonials. You'll see testimonial options appear. Go ahead and select this testimonial, then drag it over to the plus icon to add it to your page. Your testimonial section is now ready. You can easily customize it by selecting from the available preset skins. You can also set an image and edit your testimonials text from here.